In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your store to a Claude AI workflow using the dev dashboard. We'll go through the setup in a simple, clear way so you can move from your store settings to a working connection without getting lost in the interface. This process starts inside Chrome, and the goal is to create an app, enable the right permissions, generate an API access token, and then use that information in your Claude AI workflow connector. To begin, open Chrome and sign in to your store admin. From there, go into Settings, then open Apps and Sales Channels and select Develop Apps. This is the area where you can create and manage custom app access for your store. If you haven't been here before, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct store before continuing, since the app and token you generate will be tied to that specific environment. Once you're in the developer area, click Build Apps using Dev Dashboard. This takes you into the updated app configuration workflow. The newer dashboard is designed to centralize app setup, so this is where you'll handle the permissions and credentials needed for your connection. Next, create an app tool for the integration. As you set it up, enable the API read permissions you need for products and orders. These permissions allow the workflow to retrieve the store data it needs without requesting unnecessary access. It's a good idea to review permissions carefully and only enable the specific read scopes required for your use case, since keeping access limited helps maintain better security and cleaner app configuration. After the permissions are enabled, generate your API access token. This token acts like a secure credential that allows the external workflow to communicate with your store through the app you just created. Be careful when handling it, and store it somewhere secure if you need to reference it again later. In many platforms, tokens may only be shown clearly once during creation, so copy it carefully before moving on. Finally, take your store URL and the API access token and paste both into your Claude AI workflow connector. This is the step that actually links the two systems together. Make sure the store URL is entered in the correct format and that the token is pasted exactly as generated, with no extra spaces before or after it. Once those details are in place, your Claude AI workflow connector should be able to authenticate with